everyone, welcome back Tech World family. Today we are going to see about one of the most important concepts in databases such as SQL, MySQL, Oracle, Sybase, etc. It's a common concept for all kind of database. So let's see briefly. So the topic is constraints. So why we need to define this constraint? So we can define the constraint in the table that can define scalability, flexibility, and integrity of your database data. It's a type of specific rule we can define. So different types of constraints are available in databases such as check constraint, not null constraint, primary key, foreign key, and unique key constraint. So today we are going to see about check constraint. So what is check constraint? If you define check constraint on a column or table, it will allow only certain values for that column or the table. So we can see briefly. So now I am going to create table. The table name called questions, and the table contain question number, question description, and answer column. So now table created. Now I am going to make check constraint using alter statement. So now I am creating alter table, table name my question table, add constraint name, and now I am using check constraint. The column answer values A or values B or value C or value D or value P. So other than that, any other values user entered, we need to validate. So now I am executing this statement. Now alter statement executed. Now let's try to insert few data and we can see it's validating or not. So now I am going to insert a first record, the question number and description, and answer is A. So A is already mentioned in the check constraint. So record inserted. Now I am trying to insert second record with different value because this M values is not defined in check constraint. So now I am trying to insert this record. System will validate. See, check constraint violation error is triggered. This is called check constraint. So whatever values we already know and we need to define, user can't enter or select any specific other values. We can define check constraint. Thank you all. Please subscribe our channel and comment me if you have any query or any doubts in the some concept. Please comment me. We can explain in future video. Thank you all. Bye.